It is very annoying when your laptop mic is not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. In this quick video, I will show you some quick fixes to fix your mics either in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So make sure you don't miss any step and let's get started. In the first simple step, we want to check that our mic is not muted. This happened to me in many cases when any app uses my mic and I close the app and accidentally the mic gets muted. To verify this, let's quickly go to settings. In the settings, we want to navigate to system and then we want to go to sound. Now at the top, we have the output, but specifically, we want to go to input. Scroll little down and make sure the correct mic is selected here. And here we have the setting for muting the mic. Make sure it's not muted from here. And also the second thing, we have to make sure it's increased 100% from here. And if your correct mic is not showing in this list, scroll down and here you will find out more sound setting. Just go ahead and click here and here you will see all of your mic available with your laptop. The first thing we want to make sure is right click and here make sure show disabled devices is selected. And let's say you find your mic that is disabled, just go ahead and right click over it and here you have the option to enable it again. So once you have enabled it and press OK, this means that this mic will come up in this list. Now you see I am seeing more than one mic in my list. And if you still didn't find your mic in the list, just scroll down and we want to go to more sound settings. Then go to recording option at the top. Now double click on your required mic and we want to go to advanced and then we want to disable enable audio enhancement. Then click on apply and then OK and again OK and now test if your mic is working. Now next we want to go to device manager. In your start menu just type device manager. Open it up and go to your required option that is audio inputs and outputs. Just go ahead and right click on your required mic and here we want to go to update the driver. Just go ahead, search automatically and update your mic driver. If it still didn't work after the updating, again go and right click on the mic and then we want to uninstall the device. After uninstalling your required mic driver, just go ahead and restart your computer so that it will get installed automatically when the computer restarts. Now in the next quick step, we want to check the permission. In your settings menu, just go ahead and click on privacy and security, then scroll it down. We want to go to microphone under app permission. Here you could see that I have allowed and disallowed permissions for some of the apps here. The first thing we want to make sure is microphone access is turned on. And the second thing we want to make sure is let app access your microphone is turned on correctly. Also, if the mic is not working for your specific app, just go to this list and make sure it's turned on and access is allowed. If still your mic issue didn't resolve, just navigate to settings. Then we want to go to sounds, then scroll down and here we have option to troubleshoot common sounds problem, either if it's output devices or the input devices. Just go ahead and troubleshoot your mic from here. So that's it about today's quick video. Thanks for watching. I hope this will help you and I will see you in the next one.